on page 56 and 57, you're gluing those things in. Make sure you're quiet because I don't have a lot of time and I want to get through as much of this as I can so that we don't have to waste too much time tomorrow. So we're getting into word problems. The word problems are not that difficult. It's really not that difficult to work through these word problems, setting it up as an equation and then solving them. So the equations that we're going to set up are going to be either 1 or 2 step equations. Sometimes it might be multi-step, but we'll get into the ones at the end that are multi-step. For number 1, it costs $12 to attend a golf clinic with a local pro. Buckets of balls are practiced during the clinic cost $3 each. We want to know how many buckets can you buy at the clinic if you spend $30. So $30 is the amount that we can spend. So that means when we set up our equation can be set equal to $30. So when I'm working through this, the first thing I want to do is I want to identify the coefficient. Okay, now remember, let's make note, we've talked about this before, that a coefficient, when we're talking about the coefficient is going to be something that happens multiple times. And typically we look for those words like per, each, and every. We're looking for those key words that say per, each, and every. So in this case, which number up here is going to be my coefficient? Where do we see the words per, each, or every with a number? Amaya? 3. We see that it's going to cost $3 each, right? The bucket of balls is $3 each. $3 each. So there's my coefficient, 3. And again, it's $3 each bucket, right? It's going to be $3 for each bucket. So my variable, careful, my variable is going to represent the buckets that I can purchase, which is going to be the letter B. Don't worry about it. I want you to write right now. You can put that back later or leave it on the desk and I'll put it back later. Just sit. So my variable is going to be the buckets. Go ahead and sit, Angel. There's no reason for you to get up. Hurry up. You're wasting time. Hush. The constant, our constant is a one-time fee, a one-time cost or fee. So something that you pay only once. So the only one-time fee that we're paying is that $12 to attend the clinic. Once you pay it, you'll get to go, right? It's kind of like bowling. You pay for your shoes, and then you keep paying per game. The shoes cost once. You just buy the shoes once. But the more games you want to play, the more money it's going to cost you. You pay per game, and that's it. Same thing if you go into a fair. You pay admittance to the fair, but in order to ride the ride, you have to buy tickets. So once you pay to be in the fair, you don't pay that again, but you do keep paying every time you want to ride a ride. Okay? Same thing here. I'm going to pay to get into the clinic. I pay that one time, and then however many buckets of balls that I want to hit for the golf, that's how many I'm going to keep paying for over and over and over again. Okay? Now, all of this is going to be set equal to the amount that I want to spend. So your equals is how much you're wanting to spend. I don't want to go over or under $30. $30 is what I'm going to spend. That's my amount, $30. So when I set up my equation, My equation is 3 times B plus the $12, and it's set equal to 30. That's my equation. I am done. That's all you had to do. You just had to set the equation up. Okay? For problem number 2, Jessica wants to save money so she can buy tickets to a concert. The tickets cost $405, and she's able to save $45 each week. How many weeks will it take for her to save the money? Okay, so let's start with our coefficient. Our coefficient is what? 45. We have $45 each week. So there's our coefficient, and there's our variable, weeks. So our coefficient is going to equal 45. Our variable is going to equal weeks, which is the W. Okay, do I have a constant? Do I have a one-time fee? Do I have any money saved up yet? No. So I don't have a constant here. How much money do I need to save? Okay, so I need it to equal $405. That's the final cost of what it needs to be, that $405. So this is not a two-step equation. This one is a one-step equation. We have 45W is equal to 405. And then you would be able to solve. Okay, we're going to stop here for today. We'll pack up. We'll finish this tomorrow. Make sure you have it glued in.